I don't know what they are. They are not bread. They are not cookie. They are not cake.
Something random.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be making cheesecake.
And the cheesecake cookies. Actually, I need sour cream for his cheesecake. We didn't buy sour cream, so I'm going to make sour cream for him. This is a 1/4 cup milk. And this is a 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar.
And she's going to let that sit for 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Then into a big Ziploc bag, I'm going to add roughly a cup of cookies. They can be any type of cookies you like.
Okay, next I'm going to make powdered sugar.
So in this bag, I have all my cookies, and I'm going to open up a little hole. I'm going to try to get rid of all the air.
This is regular sugar. I'm going to make it as powder.
Now I'm going to use a rolling pin and break apart these cookies. And as you can see, there's still some more air in it, so I'm going to get rid of that air.
The reason we need the powdered sugar is because cheesecake is very smooth. So we want the sugar in it to be smooth too.
But she's not even making a cheesecake, she's making cookies.
Cheesecake cookies.
After a while, you can start to use your rolling pin and you can start rolling it.
Okay, actually I'm going to be really loud. Warnings.
Okay. Are you done making the powdered sugar yet?
Okay. Okay, I'm done. We're done.
Yep. So if you look closely, it kind of looks like sand.
Oh, my powdered sugar. It looks like flour.
It looks like there's almost no more granulated sugar.
Yeah, thank you, Xwill, for approval of my work.
So into my big Ziploc bag, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of oil. But I'm only going to add most of it, but I'm going to leave a little bit at the end, just in case I added too much, and then it's going to be too wet. So I'm going to seal it, and I'm just going to mix it around. So the consistency you want for this mixture is that you want to be able to form a shape. But right now I can't, so I'm going to add in the rest of the oil. And then I'm going to continue shaking.
Powdered sugar, done.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to start to make my cheesecake cookies.
And I'm almost done with my crust. So at the end, your crust should kind of look like wet sand. And that's when you know it's done. It should also like form into like balls or like structures.
Okay, creamy stuff first. This is 1 cup of cream cheese and 1/2 cup of butter.
I'm going to add all of my crust into the bottom of my pan.
The butter and the cream cheese, we left it out overnight. They are very soft now.
I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to go press down all the cookies.
If you taste the cream cheese, it's a little bit salty, so we will need some sugar to balance out the taste. I will add 1/2 cup of sugar. Let me just use my powdered sugar.
Now I'm going to set this aside.
Okay, roughly 1/2 cup. Good enough.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I will steal Xwill's electronic mixer.
I need that.
You're not going to mix anything. I still have some time. I still only need 2 to 3
use
minutes.
Use this.
Oh,
Now I'm going to grab the large bowl.
you sure this is not going to work? I need more power, Xwill.
What do you mean more power?
This is the harder stuff. It's not the liquid.
2 versus 1, there's no difference.
This is very soft. I need the harder one.
On the back, you just move it higher for more power.
Not going to work. I need that.
I could do it before, and I took those ones first.
Okay, you do it. This. Show me how you do this.
Okay.
Not going to work. Okay, you proved it works. Okay, I will use it. Thank you.
See? I'm going to add 2 cups of cream cheese into my bowl.
Okay, I will gradually add sugar in. Ooh, why when I do it, it splashes everywhere. Xwill, how did you do it?
Just keep on mixing.
Why? Why is everything not working for me? See, it splashed everywhere.
If I could do this, then you can do this.
I don't like it. Okay, I decided to add the rest of the sugar in. All of them.
She just wants to make it easier to mix.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna help or not.
Wow, look at the powdered sugar. It's like mist.
Now into my 2 cups of cream cheese, I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. And because she's using that,
Actually, I'm done. It's yours. Thank you.
use this to whip it.
Okay.
I'm going to use these. So the whisk over there is going to beat a lot of air into it.
Oh, this one I'm going to add a lot of air.
Yeah, this should add less air, but that might make your cookies yummier.
Okay, the sour cream already set for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is supposed to be your sour cream.
Why is it so liquidish?
I don't know. It doesn't get thicker as it's supposed to be.
I think I should add some butter to make it more thick.
Want to?
Okay, this has become an improvised cheesecake.
What is improvise?
So basically means I'm winging it now. It's not off the actual recipe. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And hopefully that'll make it a little bit more solid when I add the improvised sour cream.
Now I'm going to add my wet ingredients. First, 1 egg.
So now that my mixture has become quite creamy, I'm going to add in 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. I'm also going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of flour.
And I'm supposed to add some lemon juice or
Vanilla extract.
vanilla extract and lemon juice, but I have none of them. So I'm going to use some orange juice.
I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, so into my bowl, I'm going to add the first egg. Then I'm going to beat the egg until it's evenly distributed.
Once the orange juice and egg, they are disappeared in my batter,
They have disappeared. And into my bowl, I'm going to add 1 more egg.
I'm going to my third step, which is the dry ingredients. So first, 2 cups of flour, regular flour. Ooh, that's a lot of flour.
My cheesecake batter has turned from almost pure white to a sort of yellowish color.
1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda.
I'm going to add 1 more egg, so that brings our total to 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. So I'm just going to separate the egg with my hands, and I'm going to plop it right in. Now that my mixture kind of looks like pancake batter and not like cream cheese, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of sour cream, or in this case, my improvised sour cream.
Oh, my dough is too dry. I will add more orange juice.
That's how cookies are supposed to look like. Now I'm gonna finish mixing my batter. Actually, before I finish mixing this, I'm gonna turn on the oven.
Oh, you're smart, Axel.
I'm just gonna bake a few cookies.
I really want to use my hand. This is so awkward.
Then use your hands.
Okay, I'm gonna use my hand.
Okay, so my cheesecake batter is done. I'm just going to go and get my cake pan.
My dough smells so good. I think I can just eat it now.
You can't eat raw flour, especially because you have so much of it. While she's still making her dough, I'm going to add in my cheesecake batter.
Oh, I'm falling behind, Axel.
Are you always falling behind?
Not always.
Most of the time, always falling behind. Why is this bowl so heavy?
You can ask for help.
No. Oh, thank you.
And sometimes you do need teamwork.
Yeah, I have 2 plates.
2 plates, plural.
I have 2 plates. Okay, we can make the cookies together.
Now I'm going to take it up and I'm just going to try to smooth it out. Okay, it looks good enough. So this is my cheesecake and I'm going to wait for it to reach 350. And now I have to help her.
I just took out my cookie doughs from the fridge. They were there for 2 minutes.
So we're gonna be using these because according to her, they won't stick. So I'm just gonna go press it down a bit.
Yeah, not too much. Thank you, Xwill, for helping me.
Okay, now according to her, I'm pretty sure we have to put the powdered sugar on top. Just hold it on top of it so it doesn't fall on the table. You can do it.
First time to do this. Ooh, it's like snowy. There's a lot of sugar, which I don't like.
Why does this one have so much and this one has like nothing?
Because this sieve is too big, hard to target. I don't want that much sugar.
Okay, then you just pour it back.
How can you pour it back? It won't work. No.
Because of that.
Oh, that's a lot of sugar. We're going to bake sugar. Oh my god.
Hopefully it doesn't burn. For my cheesecake, I'm gonna bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes.
For my cheesecake cookies, I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees F for 20 minutes.
While she takes her cookies off,
Whatever made of
Okay,
cream cheese.
I'm gonna take this off. Now I'm gonna slowly take off the parchment paper.
I'm going to try what is this. It's very soft.
Uh-oh. I don't think the cheesecake cooked.
It's not that sweet, but it does have a sweet flavor in it.
My cheesecake is a little undercooked.
It's okay. The cheesecake we can put it in the fridge. Tomorrow morning it will be solid inside. Try mine. What do you think? What I cooked?
It's just a regular cookie.
Actually, it's a creamy, smooth cheesecake put me in heaven. He has a golden finger when he bakes cheesecake.
Your cookie is crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and it kind of tastes like a sweet and savory bread.
Yeah, do you want to try yours?
No, I don't like eating cheesecake.
Okay, thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. See you next time. Bye!